number of other celebrities have taken to social media about those moments of terror,
as well as others who are now sending their thoughts and condolences out to the victims. And Audrey is joining us this morning with what they're saying on social media. Audrey, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, the hashtag Vegas Strong continues to trend on social media this morning after yesterday's terrible tragedy. Lots of those celebrities on stage at that outdoor concert, some of the first to take to social media. Like we mentioned yesterday, Jason Aldean was on stage when the shooting started. He called the shooting beyond horrific. Jake Owen, another who took the stage during the festival, he tweeted, "Gunshots were ringing off the stage rigging and road cases. No one knew where to go. Thank you LVPD and first responders for keeping us safe." Same story with Chris Young, who says he's lucky to be alive and calls the shooting heartbreaking. Josh Abbott had actually left the venue shortly before the shooting started. He was with his fiance on the 20th floor of the Mandalay Bay Hotel while some of his band remained at the concert. So he was just a few floors away from that shooter. He tweeted, "I'll never unhear those gunshots, and our band and crew will never forget how that moment made them feel. Our hearts are with all the victims." Despite those moments of terror, however, the band says they will still play this weekend in College Station. And Celine Dion, who lives in Las Vegas right now as she continues her shows, she tweeted, "Praying for all the innocent victims and their family in Las Vegas." So definitely a moment that will not leave these artists or people of Las Vegas for a very long time. Back to you.